was too small.
Okay.
Because it's already taken from a small screen, right?
Okay.
So we want it to take as much of that screen as possible.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's that valve there. I think that should be. Oh, I just missed it again. Okay, that's the other one there. So you see those ones, they look okay. No chip, they look like they're closed.
Okay. Yeah, the first one was open.
Yeah, this. Okay. Yeah. So I am gonna. They should be 4 in there, and that's what I'm gonna find out where the other one. Okay, that's the other one, and then on the other side, this looks like the intake valve, and this is the problem one. I don't know how I can get a little bit closer on that side there. That looks like the problem one, because it looks like if you look right at the corner where the date line, the date is showing there, looks like it's broken there, or it's missing a piece right there. Look at that valve there. Look at that. Looks like it's missing a chunk there. You can see much clearer, much closer, right? Can you see that gap in between there?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, I think that's a problem. That is a big problem. You can see right here. Oops.
Yeah.
I just missed it.
Yeah.
It should just go all the way around like that, right? Like every other one. They shouldn't be in a missing one. Okay, I go to this other valve. I think this is an intake too. And you see there's a lot of cross there. That's not a problem. I don't know how I can bring this thing a little bit closer. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. That it's missing a chunk. But I want to show you good. Even the one closer to it, right? It has a lot of debris in there, but looks warm, which is not a problem. Debris just because it's not been firing. But if I go around again, it should be an exhaust valve. But one of the valves is missing a pin. See how that one looks whole? That one really looks whole. No missing piece. And looks like it's closed there. Right? Looks like it's closed there. And if I go around again, and just, this thing is hitting me, see? Look at that one. That one looks closed and no missing pieces. That one looks closed and no missing pieces. But look at that one. Sometimes it's hard to get a nice video, but look at that one. Yeah, looks like that chunk. It's gone out of it. So even adjusting the valve, it's not gonna fix the problem. Just took a picture here. Even adjusting that valve is not going to fix the problem. And that one got a lot of debris in there. Okay, thank you very much for your help.